Hail this land of glory, we the Amazonians, nation loyalty. Praise the soul of Savior who granted us the freedom. And let the soul the hero who holds the lonely diablo.
Bluetooth pairing. Bluetooth connected.
Hail this land of glory, we the Amazonians, nation loyalty. Praise the soul of Savior who granted us the freedom. And let the soul the hero who holds the lonely diablo. Glory to glory, we rise and never to fall. Here in a nation, flowing with earth and holy. Glory, glory, glory to the Father for making you a nation and joy forevermore. Ambazonia, land of freedom, you shall live in plenty, meeting our need. And your children shall be like the stars above. The Most High God being the watchman of His nation. Ambazonia, land of freedom, you shall live in plenty, meeting our need. And your children shall be like the stars above. The Most High God being the watchman of His nation.
Good evening, my fellow Ambazonians. For all our big papa them and our big mommy them, for all our uncle them and our auntie them, for all our neighbor them, for all Ambazonian picking them, for all my brother them and my sister them, I want come for can salute una. I be una brother Asu, when the press secretary for the executive office for governing council of Ambazonia. That means say na me I be the spokesperson for the office for the leader for our war of independence, Dr. Ayabacho. My people, when I can't find. Today, the drama too much. Tori, it plenty. Today, we go take the whole news now for the colonial capital for that side for La République du Cameroon. Now for there, we go carry una go. Now for there, the story, it go focus. The focus of today's story, now the scatterization of La République du Cameroon by Ambazonians. All right. So today we will talk about how Ambazonia it is scatterize La République and what be that Ambazonian strategy when I don't make La République du Cameroon make it chakara like the tea place where they don't put plenty for them. May they go there, they go play. So the story is plenty. Ambazonia they kumkumize La République from inside. We go take una the news today. It goes sweet all Ambazonia them. Any man where you stand for Ambazonia independence. Any man where you want to see the end of Cameroon. This news today, it go make your heart go sweet today. It go make your heart go sweet. So make all man come fine. We got 3 things and we get for talk with all those things now about La République du Cameroon and how our strategy it don't scatter the country. So the news it over plenty. Pobia it don't confirm. Which Ambazonia that we don't tell it. Make all man come fine. Make we salute our friend first before we go start proper. Make we salute our friend first. Yes, Comrade Francis, Mr. Dan, would he salute you? All right, Comrade, yes, would he salute all my palm down. We salute you, Don Man. We salute you, Don Man. Yes. Biko Kanti don't come. The man with the most colorful coat, he don't come. Biko Kan, we salute you, big man. This man, he caught them with the weather. Heavy coronavirus. Enough you go for near corner. We salute you, Biko Kan. Welcome, Biko Kan. Ma Francis, Ma Florence Wilkins. Don Mami for that side for Deutschland. We salute you, Mami. All right, Trizzy, we salute you, Don Man. All right, John Wanka, we salute you, Mr. Foncha. Or Zambrota. Your name funny me, Zambrota. Welcome, Mr. Zambrota. Macaro, we salute you too. Leonga Martin, the donest man for that side for Ambazonian capital, for that side for Boya. We salute you too. Welcome, Leonga Martin. JB Webster, we salute you, Don Man. Mark Jane Francis, we salute you. We salute all now. All right, Trizzy. Mark Carolina, we salute you. We salute all man. Christian, Mr. Mofo, we salute you now. Oh, Comrade we salute you. Welcome all man. Petra, you don't come. We salute you, Petra. Mr. Dan, we salute you, Armstrong. Welcome all man. Jerome, you don't come. Mr. Mbaku, welcome. Asai, we salute you. Tough Bezo today for you. All man day for you. Irene, we salute you. Oh, I'm Fumbon. We salute you, Mr. Jude. Prince, we salute you too. All right. Mblambo, we salute you. We salute you. Oh, Toride. Yes, Comrade Eric, we salute you, Mr. Mongate. We salute all now. Mr. Tang, Valine, we salute you, Mr. Ngwa, we salute all now. Christine, we salute all now. Ashu Bazil, today for you, we salute all now. All right, Frank, we salute you, Mr. Eju, we salute you now. All right, yes, Mami talk say they say Ambazonia must be independent. Mami, you talk and fine. Jew, we salute you, Comrade Enrico, we salute you, Theophor, we salute all now. Mr. Legu, we salute all now. All man for no, all corner away, all man the whether you did for that side for ground 1, or you did for ground 2, or you did for ground 3, or you did find conshot for come up for that side for Northern Africa, for swim, for through the Mediterranean, enter for that side for Italy. We also salute you. Say me you work and fine. Una work and fine. Una just make sure say all man get a tube for make sure say una swim fine. All right. So it no matter for place where you dey, we throw away all una salute. We salute our people them for that side for Pakistan. We salute our people them for that side for India. Even the one that we did for that side for Bangladesh. We also salute all our hustler them. We salute all the one that we did for that side for Hong Kong, for Australia, for Malaysia, for Singapore. We also throw away una salute. Even the one that we did for New Zealand. We also throw away all man salute. Ambazonia they did for all side. The one that we did. The young Ambazonian hustlers, they did for that side for Dubai, for all that side for Middle East and the Persian Gulf. My people them, we salute una for una hustling. And then Ambazonia already did for that side for where they try for find all that conshot. Where they come up for the Caribbeans and then they enter for that side for Mexico. Even the one where they did for that side for Cuba, where they try for then too they find their own conshot. We salute una for una waka, Ashia for all man. We know say not easy. Una continue for pushing small. All man go enter. Yes. So for all Ambazonia where they did for this side for North America, una good afternoon for the one they did for Eastern Standard Time and the one they did for the other time to zone them. Now morning time for una, we talk say una good morning for una for that side. We salute all Ambazonia them for all across the globe. Una come find the story today is plenty. This story today now about Ambazonia's scatterization of La République du Cameroon. The story today now about how our strategy it on the cause kumkumization within La République, by La République, from inside La République, by the insiders within inside La République. How themselves they don't kumkumize the country as we be planning. Say time go reach for this war of independence, where the La République people themselves, they go kumkumize the country. Yes? So today, I want to bring one a news. We don't come up for that side for La République du Cameroon. How they don't hear the advice we don't give them. So finally, the people of La République du Cameroon, they don't take our advice for the ambazonization of La République du Cameroon, right? So in order for the scatterization of La République for take place, the people of La République du Cameroon, they must adopt ambazonization, right? You now understand what I mean? So let me say, ambazonization, now the process where you decide say you want change by all means necessary. Yes, now ambazonization that. And then, so ambazonization, it did lead now to the scatterization of La République du Cameroon. So, we the Ambazonian people them, we don't ambazonize the citizens of La République du Cameroon where they take their destinies into their own hands. And so they don't follow the philosophy of liberation. So the book, where would he give them, would he choke them for their head every day? They don't enter, and the action, they don't come. Alright? So the ambazonization of La République du Cameroon, now it will lead to the scatterization of La République du Cameroon. Yes? So we don't ambazonize that people then. The people, they don't become ambazonized. Because as we tell them, say, there is no other way which change will come for that country other than they become ambazonized. And so they don't listen to our education and our courage. So they don't take our advice. Before I take una, I go for the kumkumization from La République du Cameroon, within La République du Cameroon, by La République du Cameroon. I go first take una. We go for the news. We come for La République du Cameroon. The people of La République du Cameroon, the colonial government of La République du Cameroon, from 1961, where they annexed and occupied Ambazonia, they set up a system of discrimination with the world never seen before. What happened for South Africa small self? For a system of discrimination and hatred with the people of La République du Cameroon, they set them up against the Ambazonian people. Their goal is be there for make sure say the Ambazonian people they lost their sense of humanity. Now for make sure say the Ambazonian people they lost their sense of humanity. Now some La République du Cameroon citizen we don't ambazonize. Now the waka for quarter it talks say what did happen to be unacceptable. So now we don't come out for just afternoon time. You go for go do small strolling. I see the stroll. Now we decide to make a video of the system where La République du Cameroon don't put on against the Ambazonian people then. Now where the boy come out, he go for some school. For tell the world and for tell the people of La République du Cameroon and Ambazonian people them. Say the people of Ambazonia, La République du Cameroon, they don't set up the system, say they don't belong. Say the people of Ambazonia, they continue La République du Cameroon, they make them. Say Ambazonia and Cameroon are one. That boy talks in a lie. And he get evidence for sure. My people them. The video where when they come see him, it go make some of them go cry. For how they don't reduce the Ambazonian people them. Even inside their own colonial capital. When I go watch a level of discrimination and dehumanization of Ambazonia them. Make I play this video for now.
Si notre pays au Cameroun, nous sommes ici au niveau du stade malien.
First of all, this video when they can watch on. Now a video for which they call and say bilingual primary school for that side for La République du Cameroon for inside their own colonial capital. For one side, they build a cardboard house for put Ambazonia picking them when the way they created them, they call and say English picking them. They build a Carabao house for Ambazonia picking them. And then for their own picking them, for the section, when at the French section, they go build a modern school. When I watch, and then we'll go continue the story.
Ça, c'est l'état public bilingue de Kondongo au niveau des stades maliens. Vous voyez le côté ici, ça c'est le côté des anglophones. Vous pouvez voir. Voilà notre pays. Vous pouvez voir vous-même. On va couper les anglophones, c'est en arabou. Vous voyez les bâtiments en plan Yaoundé. On va couper les anglophones. Vous pouvez témoigner. Et de l'autre côté, vous allez voir pour les francophones.
My fellow Ambazonians, I beg all man, when I watch this video, when I see what they do while picking them for inside their own capital. This section when I don't see them, when a Carabao house, na Chakara Carabao house, na the one then that for Ambazonia picking them. Now the one they on that for Anglophone now the section that for Anglophone picking them. When I watch, when I go see their own section where they bill for their own picking them.
Vous allez voir vous-même. Voilà. Le bâtiment en plan.
This section when they can't see them so. Now the section this for their own picking them. Now the section this for picking them for La République. When I watch them. Now the section that when I watch. When I don't see them from the beginning for place where we're picking the day, they go be we're picking the Carabao house, Chakara Carabao house. And they call and say school for their own school, picking them. They start from the front. They put gate. We when picking they enter school, they feel lock the gate. So that picking they stay safe for school. When I watch.
Et de l'autre côté, voici pour les francophones. Vous voyez? Vous-même, vous voyez, c'est bien, non? C'est ça notre pays. C'est ça. Vous pouvez juger vous-même.
When I check again, when I watch the section from Ambazonia picking them.
Nous sommes ici au niveau des stades maliens.
And the section this from Ambazonia picking them. They go build a small Carabao house.
Bilingue
They go build a small Carabao house.
Kondongo
And they put an Apokona road.
au niveau des stades maliens. Vous voyez le
Where any
ici.
person can put fire the burner. The bomb are picking them alive.
Vous pouvez voir.
Now the section that we're picking them.
Voilà notre pays. Vous pouvez voir vous-même. On va couper les anglophones, c'est en arabou.
Okay? So now the section that from Ambazonia picking them. When I watch the section for their own people. When I watch. Now the section this for their own picking
Et
them.
de l'autre côté, voici pour les francophones. Vous voyez? Vous-même, vous voyez? C'est bien, non? C'est ça notre pays. C'est ça.
My fellow Ambazonians, no man, when you don't watch this thing, no man no day, no papa no day, no mommy no day, no uncle no day, no brother no day. We go deny, say they never ever accept our people them. Even after they don't occupy our land. Even our people they don't move, go for their own side for the country. They dehumanize our people them. They don't institutionalize the dehumanization of Ambazonians. Even for their public school system. The bee house for cockroach. And the carry were picking them. They talk saying a school that for Ambazonia picking them. They take small caraboat, plan, put them for corner road. Place where normally na for there you pick them. Where they carry them go sell them. They call and say a school that for Ambazonia picking them. For that kind of small caraboat, na goat house. And for that they go keep goat them for night. And then for morning time, they carry the goat them, go market. They call and say na school that for Ambazonia picking them with them, they call and say Anglophones. They don't take away life from our people them. Not you know they again where they show you. We call on all our papa them where they did for the colonial capital. We call on that place where we all don't see them today. Na goat house, na house of pigs, not be house of Ambazonia picking them. We call on all our people, our papa them and our mommy them. Where they send their pikin. Say may they go school for that place. Una go move, una picking them for that place. Una go withdraw, una picking them from that, their colonial goat house. Una go state una objection. We are picking they deserve better. Una go carry una picking them for that place. Because after this video, we don't come off outside. It cause a lot of vexation. As they don't kill our people them. They carry our people them again. Go be poor picking them for goat house and pig house. When I go move and picking them for day. They don't deserve that kind of disgrace. They not deserve that kind of shame. They don't deserve that kind of humiliation. It make begin to die inside. From very young. When I go move and picking them, not be in school that. Not in school. My place. For go make what picking them, make they think say they be goat. They be dog. They be pigs. Like the reason that. That's why they build that kind of school. One side for our own picking them. And then they go be real school for their own picking for the other side. So we call on all our people then where they did for the colonial capital. All mommy them. For all papa them. We not take immediate action. Immediate action. We not go move all Ambazonia picking them for that place. All. They not deserve forbidden their spirit, their soul, their skin, their life. They not deserve forbidden. Vexation they over plenty. I will not think say that place it go even last anymore. After this video, we don't come off outside. Vexation plenty. So we call on all man we there for Yaoundé. We don't send an Ambazonia picking for that kind of school. We call on all una. Una withdraw una picking them from that kind of school. Now a disgrace for humanity. Now a disgrace for people they talk say they want education. Now a disgrace. Now big shame. Now the biggest shame that for our people them. Now big shame. So they call on all man for withdraw that picking them. Now, make a take una now. I go so for that side for La République du Cameroun. Oh, una give we a moment here. So say for that side for La République du Cameroun. Una sabi say the strategy for a war of independence. The strategy will mean say La République du Cameroun, it go start for get internal problems. The problems for within La République du Cameroun, they go over plenty where the country it no go fit for hold itself together anymore. The country go start for chakara for inside. The country go start for scatter for inside. The fighting will go start within the different groups them within La République du Cameroun. Within the various forms of the various part of their government them, we'll be talking say they say the fighting go over plenty. We'll be talking say the fighting it go over plenty. And so we be know say they say as time they go on for this war of independence, La République du Cameroun it go start for crack for inside. The cracking it go start for La République du Cameroun. So over the months, we don't for tell the Ambazonian people say they say La République don't start for crack for inside. We don't tell the Ambazonian people say the country they call and say Cameroon it need to exist again. We don't tell the Ambazonian people say and the world say Cameroon as a state it need to exist again. Say not day for inside Cameroon where it make them for be a state. We don't already tell the world about this one. So my fellow people, wetin I can show una right now. Na evidence for tell una say Cameroon don't finish. Wetin I can show una na evidence for say La République du Cameroun, the ambazonization of La République du Cameroun, it don't lead to the scatterization of La République du Cameroun. Cameroon as a state don't finish. They don't get a state anymore. They don't get a country anymore. They don't get a government anymore. They don't get a president anymore. They don't get a parliament. They don't get a senate. The country by itself it not exist anymore. Right now, now any man on his own. Alright? Cameroon right now for place we dey, now any man on his own. Make I show una this video and then I go bring una the education for which it happen. First of all, this video we una see am. Na video this way, La République du Cameroun Army, Police and Gendarme, they pick La République du Cameroun lawyer them, they just go lock them. No hearing, no bail, no nothing, no day. So the lawyers for within La République du Cameroun, they talk say they say then the one become Ambazonian. They say the one do it Ambazonian lawyer, then two they be do one. So now then that they enter for inside their court of first instance. For that side for Bonanjo, for the colonial economic capital for Douala. The lawyer, they go for their big court. They say them two the one become like the ones become strong like Ambazonians. They not fit judge she don't so where army, police and gendarme they go carry power for the country and the animal do it he like them. So now when they talk say may they go tell the big man for court for first instance. Say what did happen for La République du Cameroun for lawyer then it be unacceptable. So when I hear what happen for that court and then when I go hear the kumkumization from La République du Cameroun within La République du Cameroun by La République du Cameroun for the scatterization of La République du Cameroun by Cameroonese where they don't be ambazonized. When I watch. So, Ambazonians, now the Kumkumization of La République du Cameroun this by the Camerooners themselves. Because we don't ambazonize the citizens of La République du Cameroun, and now themselves, they don't woke up. They talk say the system be unacceptable. So now the Camerooners themselves, they don't kumkumize their own country for scatter them. Today, make we finish them because it really sweet. Make all man see what they happen for inside court. This one at the court of first instance for inside their colonial capital. Make we finish the drama. So my fellow Ambazonians, now the kumkumization of La République du Cameroun this by the Camerooners themselves, where they don't be Ambazonized. Yes, the people of Ambazonia, the strategy for a war of independence will promise La République du Cameroun. Say what strategy no go only defeat them for Ambazonia, but it go cause political, social, and economic chaos for inside La République du Cameroun. The leader of a war of independence, a promised Pobia, tell you say the strategy for Ambazonia liberation. It also means say scatterization of La République du Cameroun, it will happen. It also means say the way they design the strategy, we got for choke La République du Cameroun from two angles. We go fight them on the ground for Ambazonia. We go stop them for exploit our natural resources. And then we go cause economic bankruptcy. We cause economic financial crisis for inside La République du Cameroun. Their citizens then, they no go get the social services anymore. The government no go fee for pay teachers. The government no go fee for pay water bill. The government no go fee for pay electric bill. The government no go fit for keep for build even small road them anymore. The government no go fit for keep the universities them running. The government, what strategy means say the government of La République du Cameroun, it go be forced by what strategy for carry all the money for the state, for put them for the war, for maintain Cameroon occupation, and therefore it go forget about Cameroon itself. Now the trap that we will set La République du Cameroun inside. We set a powerful trap for them, for Pobia. And guess what? They fall for inside because they don't get sense. Sense not did them. Their own. They think say na boom 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 boom. Now go make them. They go keep Ambazonia under occupation. They don't know say they say sense. A person where he gets sense and he gets strategy, it be 100 times more powerful, more effective, more impactful than any man who just thinks say because of you get army, you get tanks, you get police, you get jana, you get B. So what strategy? Now in that, it don't choke Cameroon for Ambazonia, we defeat them for Ambazonia. They don't feel govern Ambazonia anymore. They don't lost the war, right? Because we stretch them, they don't feel no Wusa for fight. They don't feel no Wusa for defend. They lost sense for Ambazonia. It not end for day. We increase the cost of occupation. For make la République du Cameroun borrow plenty money. And they no go pay the money anymore. But with all the money we borrow for try for maintain the occupation for Ambazonia, for buy that armor car them, for buy that bulletproof them, for buy that BBBB gun them, for try for keep the Ambazonia the money occupation, all that money it no go get 1 franc for investing for their own country. So the people of La République du Cameroun, they go start for suffer, they go start for cut their salaries. Biano go fit for care for your own country. As a result, now a people they go start for rise, right? When they see what it happen, what it don't happen today, as when they call a manifest. Now a manifestation of the effectiveness of our strategy for cause chaos and scatterization from within La République du Cameroun by La République du Cameroun themselves, because we don't ambazonize them. Our way of doing things, our courage, our bravery, our resilience, it don't make them start for question why they go for accept that bullshit from their own system. When they see the Ambazonia uprising, it make them start for ask themselves, say, but why we got for accept these conditions? Why we got for accept make lawyer? They begin to pick lawyer, them just go lock them. Why we go the accept make army, police and gendarme they get that kind of power? Where if it disappear any man? So now then that today, they come out, they go court. Say me they go talk for the Oga for court. Now way they go for court. As court too don't turn a battlefield. Now way the big man for court. He can't call a Ekelebe. And you know what did happen for the Ekelebe when they call them. The Ekelebe no say I caught that. Now way they enter inside. Instead for peacefully talk for the people them, negotiate, and then move the people them outside small, they don't want them. They start for knock people them. They start for beat people them. They start for take gun. They jam each other. Beat people them. You know, end for day. They can't shoot 2 people for their foot. They shoot them inside court for La République. La République Ekelebe, it shoot their own citizens for court. It carry tear gas. It's one for all man for court. Now the kumkumization of Cameroon that by the Camerooners themselves. Country don't scatter. President no day. Parliament no day. Senate no day. Who day? Now only army, police and gendarme they remain for the country. Cameroon don't finish. Now the Ambazonia promise will be promised Cameroon that. We tell them say by the time one finish with them, they know we get a country where they call and say Cameroon. And today when the system not get a country where they call and say Cameroon. Country no day. The country don't finish all. Left no day, future no day, back no day, past no day, front no day. Cameroon don't finish. Now the Cameroon that way Pobia don't leave them. Now the legacy that way Pobia, it don't leave them for the people of Cameroon. That's why it be inevitable. The people of Cameroon, they go rise up. They want them for Northern Cameroon. We get photos, we get videos, evidence. Say that they organize. They go start bang, 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 bang. For that side, that fine guitar where the music. When I know that Aboki there now, when Aboki they start, they need to stop. So when I would hear gang, we go the fall up, we go start for that side for northern Cameroon, because they talk say we can't take it anymore. They talk say we cannot take it anymore. And then for this side for Douala, that boy did already create 3 training camps for inside Douala alone. We'll get the photos, we'll get the videos. 3 training camps a day within Douala for littoral. Which may not be within Douala. 3 training camps for littoral. The people they say we cannot take it anymore. Now the ambazonization of La République that the citizens, the sons and daughters of La République du Cameroon, where they don't be fed up from the because of the failed state. They think say them too they not get any choice than for pick the guitar so that they fit play better music. Ging. Now that kind of guitar. Then for that side for Bafoussam, it no end for day. The people for Western region. Then they talk say, wait till Paul Biya do and for them, they not fit accept them anymore. Paul Biya not fit thief election for them. And he deprived Ebamileke from becoming a president of La République du Cameroon. So the people for BAS, for Brigade Anti-Sardinat, after they don't try all these, they are protest them all across the globe. They think say, for go protest for France, for England, for America. That one are nothing. They say they must go the Ambazonian way. They say if change get for come for Cameroon, it must come now through ambazonization. Ambazonization now the process for use whatever means necessary, including guns and bullets, for reclaim your rights, for create effective change, for a system we only believe for the use of force. So that people them too, they bamlike them too. They don't buy better guitar them. 2 training camps they did for the western region of Cameroon by the Bamileke. They talk say that presidency will Paul Biya thief and for them. They say 1990 no repeat itself, or 1992 when Ni John Frundi win election. The Anglophones, what they call them back then, Anglophones. Ni John Frundi not win election. Paul Biya thief and they leave and me go so. The Bamileke they talk say no, it no go happen. So when come to try the protest in Owaka, they carry come to go put him for prison. He come out, he come back in Owaka. They said, when I forget about those peaceful things, we must play the fine guitar. So them too, they don't start open training camps. It no end for Sang Melima, for Paul Biya he own village. Wait, come on, they were in a town on a village. Oh. So Mami Dede, we talk say na be Mami Amba. A Paul Biya he own people them. A Bulu Mami with some brothers them. They don't mobilize. They say Biya no fit come out like that. They say for change, for enter for Cameroon, that better music. They say they must do the Ambazonian way. They say they must follow the Ambazonian way. The only way with them too, they will get better change. Because as Ambazonia they go, as Ambazonia they gain the freedom and independence, they know what cash you don't pour. They know what cash you don't. Hope no day. So the people don't decide for become hopeful. So even for Paul Biya own village, gang, it go on. The people, they talk say they know we see Ambazonia become free. And then they remain for back, as Donald Trump be called them, a shithole country. So they organize, all right? Ambazonization, it take place within La République du Cameroon. That means say the people them, they don't rise for a level way, not enough is stop them. They thought say they go deal with the Tanganji them. Yes. It come. So now, the center cannot hold. That's so they talk of PG now. The center cannot hold because there is no center. The center cannot hold because there is no center. You see, the center feel only hold when you get a center. When you get a country where you not get core, government not there. Now any man on his own. Army in a government. Alright? They will beat them, and then they be the government. Cameroon, they now under military rule. Cameroon is a state where they under military rule. They on their own. The Bamileke they on their own. The Douala they on their own. The people from Nord they on their own. The Bulu they on their own. There is no center. So the country be bound for implode. Now the promise of the Ambazonian strategy that. Now the promise of the Ambazonian strategy that. So Paul Biya get, not be Paul Biya because they talk say even a former US Undersecretary of State, Herman Cohen. He says don't talk say Paul Biya na ghost. Mr. Cohen, the former big man for US State Department, when I be in charge of African affairs, that means the person will be get this Nagiti boy work. Oga Cohen don't talk say Paul Biya na a ghost. That means say Cameroon no get president. That means say Paul Biya don't die and then no one announce him. This one come out now for Chief Intelligence Officer for America. Former US Ambassador Herman Cohen. He say Paul Biya na a ghost. Now so he put him for Twitter. That means he talk say Paul Biya don't. And then the people for the Republic they no one announce him. Because if they can't talk say Paul Biya don't, that means say the whole place go be for on fire, right? Because now Kamto go be forced for who come for outside talk say, okay, Paul Biya will if election don't die, he must be president. And then Dion Gute and the Senate and the Parliament, they go talk say na lie. And then Atanganji Tuwe talk say na he be Minister of Territorial Administration. He go talk say na lie. Come to Nofi become president. They must put na Frank Biya. Now for here all thing go scatterize. Now for here la Republic go kumkumais. The kumkumization from all corner. Eh? Now for here the gang. The Bamileke they will talk say they want be president. But Douala they will talk say the one person for Douala must be president. And then the Bulu then too they will talk say no, that then they must continue for be president. And then they want them for North. They talk say no, then too now Paul Biya be kill Ayijo. So then they must take back the presidency. Ready here? So the center cannot hold. There is nothing not the way if he rescue La République du Cameroon. Because as we already talk the biggest mistake where the people of La République they make now for declare war for the Ambazonian people on this generation. Because they be underestimate who will be. They think so they like the Bamileke people them. Where they kill 400,000 Bamilikens, they burn their houses, they cut people their neck, put them for village square. They think so go give up. Paul Biya thinks when he buy tanks, now way the Ambazonian people will give up. Now way the Ambazonian people will shut up. He don't forget say will be the don't blink generation. Paul Biya forget say will be the never again generation. Paul Biya don't forget say will be the generation of chop fire. Will be the most smartest generation, the most intelligent generation. And as we promise, La République must crumble. because now Ambazonia be the whole and keep La République du Cameroon together. Since we don't take back Ambazonia and we don't stop all the money where they be taken from Ambazonia, there is nothing not the again. We keep that country together. So a couple of interesting things that happened, and we need to pay attention, because all man don't come to the conclusion say La République du Cameroon don't finish. Everybody, all the top international experts, the top security experts, the top intelligence experts, even people for IMF, even people for World Bank, you know, they talk say La République du Cameroon, it don't finish. Financially, politically, economically, socially, and culturally. So that since La République du Cameroon don't finish, not the way if he salvage La République du Cameroon, other than the people them for woke up, for rise until they fight each other, and then they will divide Cameroon into 4. According to experts, Cameroon will be divided into 4. The people for North, they no go fit for live with the Bulus them anymore. The Douala, they no go fit tolerate the Bulus, and the Bamileke, they no go fit live with the Doualas and the Bulus. So, so my people, what you remain now? Now what you remain? What you remain? No, not remain. So, because of the Ambazonization, we don't lead to the scatterization of La République du Cameroon, right? It don't make La République du Cameroon now, even the people them way, the Ambazonian experts, where they themselves, they don't can't talk, say they say Cameroon don't lost the war, and the best thing for Cameroon for do, now for go back and try for negotiate, okay? Even the people them, within La République, where they get more sense, is still them. Then themselves, they don't talk, say they say, the only way for save Cameroon, now make La République du Cameroon, he enter into a credible negotiation through the United Nations and beg the Ambazonian people say, they better fix this palaver and for sign a treaty of union. Now so someone expert for law, Oga for law, now so if you don't talk am. And if you don't wire La République du Cameroon, you don't holler La République du Cameroon, he scream at La République du Cameroon, he say poor Bia, it no go, it go fail by all means. So when this our brother, he don't make a lot of this story them. He don't talk for plenty media outlet. He say Cameroon don't be defeated, and the case for Ambazonia, if he enter for the international system, the Ambazonian people go win the case on behalf of La République du Cameroon, because Cameroon presence for Ambazonia now an act of annexation and occupation since they not be ever signed any treaty of union. As this our brother, he don't talk. Now we don't see say they say Cameroon don't fall and he don't scatter. Now talk don't the change. Make una listen for wetin our brother and our big brother Barrister Ashu Emmanuel. Una listen how he talk. It don't change from yesterday. Una listen for this one, because I need for respond. We the Ambazonian people, we need for respond for Barrister Ashu Emmanuel, and then I will give you some small advice as a brother. Una listen.
I personally think that going by the recent surveys that were conducted, especially by the Coalition for Dialogue and Negotiations, we have about 86% of the Southern Cameroonians who were interviewed who opted for total independence. Now, before Mr. Thibault Nash came up with his statement, I said, well, it is good to want total independence, but if you are given that independence, are you sure you are going to enjoy it? Because in the present context where we have well over 8 armed groups, each one backing down the other's throats, I don't think that if that total independence were granted, Southern Cameroonians will enjoy it, because it is very likely that while we are there fighting each other, multinationals will come in and loot the wealth, or the mineral wealth. So I think that, like Mr. Nash rightly says, these groups have an interest to come together and speak as one person. And we look at it, it looks very unlikely. It's very unlikely, because If you listen to each of them, every day it is their daily bread to insult each other, to kill each other's supporter and all that. So it's really difficult. I personally, when I was on Canada, I advised my people to better choose some form of the state that will grant them autonomy without leaving the present setup. Because if you leave this setup and you go enter something which you will not be able to control, then you will be living fry pan to fire.
Like what is happening in South Sudan?
South Sudan will be a joke, because in South Sudan you have just 2 parties. Here we have 8 or more.
Why are you so convinced that it's going to be difficult to work together?
Look at the various. Excuse me. Look at the various actors who are concerned. Who of them is willing to bow down to the other to allow the other to lead? Nobody. Take Ayabacho, he is a president. Take Sako, he is a president. Sisiku, he is a Eric Tato, all of them. There is nobody who is ready to allow the other lead. So I am telling you that in this context, it is better for us to choose maybe confederation and stay within it. And you see, after all, in a confederation, you still have your total independence. So what's the difference?
My fellow Ambazonians, we categorically object to the Koni where you don't enter Barrister Ashu Emmanuel head. In the past, Barrister Ashu Emmanuel, a very respectable lawyer, he don't speak truth about Ambazonian people, their right for external self-determination. He speak truth about the legality of our quest. Barrister Ashu Emmanuel, he don't woke up, advise the government of La République du Cameroon, and he don't knock his hand for table many times. Say Cameroon presence on Ambazonian an act of occupation and annexation because they deny for sign a union treaty with the Ambazonian people then, and they take their own constitution, they turn them into the federal constitution and impose them on the Ambazonian people then. Barrister Ashu Emmanuel, if he talk say the people of Ambazonia after the plebiscite, they're supposed to enter through the United Nations and the government of the United Kingdom for create a document we go establish the Act of Union. And Barrister Ashu Emmanuel, if he talk say those things they never ever take place. Barrister Ashu Emmanuel, today, when he knows say the Ambazonian people don't defeat La République du Cameroon, when he knows say Cameroon don't be kumkumais, they get political chaos, they get social chaos, they experience financial blackout. Today, they don't call Barrister Ashu Emmanuel for back. They tell you say make it come create doubt. Make it come create plant doubt for our people then. Say our people that they fight each other. Say even though we already win the war, but we no go fit govern ourselves. We no go fit create a stable nation. We no go fit work together. I get one message from Barrister Ashu Emmanuel. We go re-educate one. Yes, we not be good lawyers. We don't be corrupted by the forces of occupation. You be a good man. You mean well. You don't speak well. Why in the face of the defeat of Cameroon, you go come begin to create these doubts on our people then? We don't need them. We don't need this. We don't need this nonsense. No rescue, no day for Cameroon. The earlier we start for tell Cameroon say they not get anything, we go rescue them, the better for una. We don't need this. We don't need them. We go take una We put all una for leadership classes. Reprogram all una head them before una come back for Ambazonia. We go for straighten una. Fine. Through constructive, inspiring education. For una for come back for Ambazonia like noble people them. You be a very respectful person. Not go down the road of Barrister John Sofru. Any man where it be a relation, he get a relative will be connected to Barrister Ashu. Tell his small brother. Is any advice? Stay noble. Maintain the character where you don't show them for the world and the Ambazonian people them, and even for La Republique. This thing will come to an end. Not fall on the side of failure. Not degrade yourself for become like Barrister John Sofru. There is no hope for Cameroon. Maintain your dignity, my big brother. Maintain your dignity. Cameroon is gone. It don't finish for Cameroon. We no day. Now ma clarify. The Ambazonian War of Independence be very stable. It be very normal. Say when people that they go through this kind struggle, you go get political differences. But we need to fight each other. While defense groups they need to fight each other. While forces they need to fight each other. We get small groups for ground. There is a dominant force who do the best for maintain the stability of ground zero, and that is the Ambazonia Defense Forces. All the other small forces them now supportive forces, and they work together very well. They work together very well. So while we get small isolated incidents for ground, they do not characterize the nature of a war of independence. Barrister Ashu, look up for the whole history of the Ambazonian people then. You don't see tribal war. You don't see one tribe fight the other one. For the history of our people, will not be a divisive people, will not be a divided people. Will be a loving, harmonious people. Now Cameroon just use politics or try to keep our people divided. Divide, we say northwest and southwest. Try to turn we against each other. We'll not be a divided people. We'll be a people where they fight for one thing. All our defense groups and they fight for one thing. For liberate homeland. The political leadership, they get small ideological differences. There were movements that need to fight each other. We disagree on small things, we critique each other. So that we feel improve. We hold groups into account. We hold leadership them for accountable. We work together. And by the way, Sissekwa Yoktabe, he reassert the independence of Ambazonia. But we get a leader when I lead the liberation. We got plenty movement. But the revolution, the war of independence, it get a leader where they lead both on the ground and diplomatically. So the liberation get a leadership, Cameroon Noam. The international community know. They know who they lead the Ambazonian War of Independence. Everybody, all the movements, they be stakeholders for the War of Independence. But there's a leader with the lead. The Governing Council of Ambazonia. Now, the Governing Council of Ambazonia did spearhead the Ambazonian War of Independence. Just like for South Africa, they get many movements where they fight for end the oppression for South Africa. But the ANCB lead. Now, the same thing for Ambazonia. We go bring everybody together. The leader will lead during the liberation phase. And when we move between the liberation and the transition phase, during the negotiation process, all the leaders, all the movements, they will come together for agree on the transition phase. Ambazonia no go become the next South Sudan. If we promise our people in that one. Ambazonia will be very stable. With the work together, we will continue for forge and improve the collaboration and the togetherness of all the movements, of all the groups. For establish the transition authority and then eventually a government for Ambazonia. No one group will go proclaim and declare itself a government for Ambazonia. Dr. Ayabano will use the Ambazonia Defense Forces for go install himself as the president of Ambazonia. It no go happen. A very democratic man. A very transparent man. A very honest man. A man with character. Where when he talks on him, he do him. We will deliver the freedom of Ambazonia collectively. We'll be one people with one common enemy. And we'll get one mission for liberate our people then and then create a credible government for build a stable country and give our people them progress and a great quality of life. So Barrister Ashu, calm down. Our war of independence be stable or be one people where they forge ahead together. Cameroon don't finish. Stand up and be counted as a patriot. Bat for Ambazonia. Fight for Ambazonia. Argue for Ambazonia. There's no hope for you for Cameroon. Your place in Ambazonia. You come up for the great state of Manu. You be Manfe boy. Just like me. Come home. When I get a good night, my fellow people. May God bless all now. We love now.